Hello everybody, welcome to Deep Dive Tech. Kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button. While you are not at your house and out for some recreation or any other thing, it becomes easy for the thieves and burglars to case your house for the quick plunders. Technology is now used for home security purposes. But that doesn't make the security responsibilities to stop the bad guys from breaking into your home. The technology and the security gadgets help you to scare the burglars to some extent and to keep your house safe. There could be several types of home security gadgets which can be used to prevent your house from such incidents and alert you in case any burglar tries to enter your house. Web security cameras. Web security cameras are the smallest home security gadgets, and they are the smartest security tools to be installed at home for safety purposes. They are, most of the time, a peppermill size, and they have a subtle style, so they look presentable when they are installed on the entryway table. The entryway table is supposed to be the best placement for the web security camera, as it has got the face recognition technology, which tells you when the kids are at home from school or when someone unknown enters your house. It sometimes also has sensors which are connected to smart devices through which alerts are sent to you when someone opens or closes the windows, gates, or doors of your house. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future amazing tech videos.